Welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute non-bake mini Easter cheesecakes. They're really easy to make and are the perfect size for a really yummy dessert. Let's get started. I'm using Hobnob biscuits, but feel free to use your own favourites. Pour them into a bowl, and into this pour in your melted butter. Stir it in, add 2 teaspoons to your cupcake tin, place in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes. Next is the cheesecake filling. Add full fat cream cheese, icing sugar and vanilla extract to a bowl and mix everything together to combine. Pour in the double cream and mix again until the mixture thickens up. Now you can add 4 chopped up Cadbury's Creme Eggs, or if you prefer, add in 150 grams of your favourite chocolate. Add the cheesecake filling on top of the biscuit base. Place in the fridge for at least 7 hours and in the freeze for 2 hours before you serve them, and it'll make it easier to remove them from the tin. Decorate with freshly whipped cream, grated chocolate, and finish off with your favourite Easter chocolates. That's it everyone, so easy. Check out the recipe in the description box under the video for lots more tips and tricks on how to make these gorgeous Easter mini cheesecakes. Hope you try out this recipe. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Happy baking everyone!
Scrummy!